Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send XDC from your Arculus wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with the evolving landscape of blockchain tech. XDC, or XinFin's native token, is gaining traction for its speed and low costs, and transferring it to an exchange like Gemini can help you trade or cash out easily. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. It's a user-friendly wallet known for its top-notch security features. Once you're in, head over to your asset dashboard and locate your XDC balance. Select the amount you want to send, but remember, always leave a little extra for any transaction fees. Next, open your Gemini account on another device or tab. Go to the deposit section, select XDC, and generate a new deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like the XDC Network, to avoid any mix-ups. By 2025, Gemini might have even more streamlined options, so keep an eye out for any updates. Now, back in Arculus, paste the Gemini address into the To field. Enter the exact amount of XDC you're sending, review all the details one more time, and hit Confirm. You'll see a confirmation screen. Go ahead and approve it. The transaction should process quickly, but it could take a few minutes depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always verify the recipient address to prevent losses, and be aware of potential gas fees on the XDC network. Once it's done, check your Gemini balance to ensure everything arrived safely. That's it. You've successfully transferred your XDC. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay secure out there, and thanks for watching.